3 new things that shocked me after my YouTube channel was monetized. Here we go. The first one, the length of the videos or video duration. Before I monetized my YouTube channel, I have never been worried about the length of my YouTube videos. Most of the time, I try to deliver what I can and I stop when I'm done. But after monetizing, everything changed and I have to think twice about how long my videos should be. I used to do videos that are about 5 to 7 minutes long. But after monetizing, all of my videos are now over 8 minutes long. And the reason is very simple. It is all for the sake of getting more money per video. You see, when you have a video that is 8 minutes long, YouTube gives you the option to place a mid-roll ad. Mid-roll ads are ads placed in the middle of the video in addition to having them at the beginnings and the ends of videos. So what this means is instead of getting 2 ads being played on your YouTube video, you get 3 ads. And the more ads get played, the more money you get in that video. At first, this seemed like a small little thing to me, but after I started thinking about it again, it does make a lot of sense to try and push my videos above 8 minutes. I mean, I have spent quite a considerable amount of time producing one video, so shouldn't I try to maximize my profit as well? Isn't it worth trying to push 1 to 2 extra minutes to get this extremely good benefit? Having said that, I'm not sure if mid-roll ad disrupts viewers' experience though, because I can't see them myself. But YouTube assures me that by default, mid-rolls will be placed at natural breakpoints to balance the viewer experience and creator revenue. So I'm just going to trust them on that. I know there will be some of you who would disagree because some of you prefer 5 minutes video, some of you prefer 10 minutes video, and some of you even go for 1 hour long videos. But it all depends on the viewers, right? I myself can never watch a video that is above 12 minutes long unless it is a very engaging video. I would most likely not click on the video at all if I see the video is over 20 minutes long. It doesn't matter how good the thumbnail or the title is, the video duration is what turns me off first. But hey, that's just me. So let me know in the comments below how long a video should be that makes it a lot more watchable for you. Alright, here's the next one. The amount you earn may not be as little as you think. Before I monetized my YouTube channel, I prepared myself not to expect too much from how much I can earn from ads. In fact, I trained myself to think that way because almost every single YouTuber out there has said that you cannot live on ads alone. They won't be enough. Except Graham Stephan. He is earning millions a year on YouTube ads. He is one of a kind, a rare breed, so he doesn't count. But let me be perfectly honest with you, it is not as bad as you might think. The amount you earn is actually quite reasonable. It is not like you're going to earn $30 a month or something. I mean, I can't say for sure how other niches are, but that's what's happening for my own niche. And quite frankly, the amount I earned is actually above my own expectations. In March, I made about $91. And in April, I made about $98. What's shocking to me is towards the end of April, my eCPM reached an all-time high of $96. That's just insane, right? I never would have thought I could hit that amount of eCPM on my YouTube channel. The only thing lacking now is just views, so I just need to work on getting my views up, which in return will help me get paid more. But come on, I got less than 14,000 views overall for my YouTube channel in the last 2 months, and I still got paid close to $200. Let's do some calculations. If you can create, say, 10 videos a month and each video gives you over 14,000 views, that's $2,000 a month. Or maybe we bring this down a little. You create 10 videos a month with 7,000 views each video. That's about $1,000 a month. Do you think you can get 7,000 views per video? I'm pretty sure you can. As long as you continue to create content, continue to improve every video, your views will increase. Slowly, but surely. The beauty here is once you start getting a few thousand views, your next 10,000 views will come. And once you start getting 10,000 views, your next 100,000 views will come. So you have to really believe in yourself and strive to get to the next viable goal. I used to struggle to get 100 views per video in the first 24 hours. But now, after I achieved it twice in a row, every video I launch now is able to do that easily. And now I will raise my target and try to get 1,000 views per video. I take it one step at a time. And honestly, if I can do it, so can you, because my YouTube channel is like the worst case scenario all the time. Okay, next one. Topics on YouTube monetization is freaking awesome. This is a funny one because, man, you guys really pulled my leg on this one. At the beginning of this year, I created a community post that goes something like this. With Christmas over and New Year on the way, what are some of the things you want your YouTube channel to achieve in 2022? And only 17 of you said you want to get monetized and earn money. Then 3 months later, I created another community post that says, when it comes to how to grow your YouTube channel topics, what are the type of content do you enjoy watching besides learning how to get views and subscribers? And again, only 17% of you chose money-related topics. So I took that as a sign that you guys aren't interested at all about learning how to make money on YouTube, which was a relief back then because my YouTube channel wasn't even monetized. But then, as you all know, my channel is all about being transparent and all. So when I had trouble with my monetization on YouTube, I created a few videos that talked specifically about money. But look at this, I did a video about how I couldn't monetize and it has already gotten over 800 views. And then I did get monetized, so I made another video for it and that too has gotten over 500 views. That's a lot higher than usual because normally I would average around 200 to 300 views. But when I did a video on how much I earned in the first month, this video became my best performing video and I have never hit any numbers like this before in less than 24 hours. So what does this tell me? Well, this tells me that everyone deep down inside of them, they put monetization as a priority. I'm not saying this is a bad thing. This is actually a good thing because we should all be running a YouTube channel to try and make money from it and not to get some social recognition. The other thing this tells me is that monetization is a hot topic and it does get a lot of traction. Not only does it get you more clicks and views, but there's also a wider audience for it and people tend to get drawn easily to money-related topics. But now I know, deep down, most people don't really like to admit that they love money, which is fine. That's fine. Perfectly fine. So it is very crucial that you start thinking about how to get more views after you get monetized. Even before you monetize, you can start thinking and practicing how to deliver a 8 minutes long video. But probably the most frustrating thing about getting monetized is getting YouTube to approve your monetization. I myself went through hell to get my YouTube channel monetized, but they can be avoided if only I know what to do early on and not wait till the last minute. But anyways, I made a video on this so that you can avoid my mistakes. So be sure to check it out to learn more. Okay, that's all from me. Give me a thumbs up and sub. That would be much appreciated. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.